This is Jake from Deephaven, and today I'm going to show you how to use application mode. If you're unfamiliar with application mode, it is a feature in Deephaven that allows you to both launch Deephaven with state and to run full-fledged applications through Deephaven. If you've seen some of our YouTube videos, you may have seen us use application mode. To get started with application mode, you need to tell Deephaven that you are going to be using application mode, and you do this by setting an application mode directory in your Docker Compose file in the server. So let's view our Docker Compose file and see what this looks like. So in our server, we have this Deephaven application directory set. And this can be set to any directory that you want as long as that directory exists within the Docker container. One of the easiest places to do this is to put it within the data directory because we mount that directory by default. However, this is just an option. There's anywhere that you can put it. So what does our application directory look like? Well, let's go into it and view the files that we have. So we have two files. We have a Python file and we have this app file. The app file is the config file for Deephaven's application mode. So if we open that, we can see some config values. So for this example, we are using a script of type Python. We want to run it, and we have the ID and name set just as some unique identifiers. And then most importantly, we define the files that we are going to run when Deephaven is launched. If we had more files, we could put more files in here under file_1, file_2, and so on. And these files will be ran in order that they are defined. So what does our Python file look like? In this example, we just have a very simple Python file that just does some imports, creates some functions, and creates some tables. This can be anything that you want. For example, if you wanted to create a listener, or if you wanted to start collecting data from pulling from some sources, or really any Python code that you could run within Deephaven. So now that we've gone over how to configure application mode, let's launch this app. And as you can see, as Deephaven is launching, the Python script was just ran and showed within the logs. So let's open up Deephaven and see what we have. And as you can see, if you view in our panels, you can see the tables that were defined in the application mode script. And also, our hello function is available to be used. And that concludes this tutorial. Application mode is a powerful feature in Deephaven, so feel free to check out our developer documentation to learn more about it and see more of what you can do with Deephaven. And thank you for watching.